like eco motion. I mean,
is it you know if it backfires a lot? I guess this is your first time really driving.
Yeah,
so.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, it kind of does it like third, but I mean, you see it's quad again. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I like it.
Oh hell yeah, dude! That shit's... Yo, is that your tires squeaking before you even like let on? Oh my god! It's so aggressive, man. Oh hell yeah, dog! Yo, to be honest, like I like the way it's not like quiet. Nice little downshift, nah. She's certified. She's stamped with no, what's that? No muffler, resonator. What'd you get taken off?
Just the muffler.
Just the muffler. Yo, you still got a muffler on it, man. Your girl don't want to be with you, right? So take this shit off. Okay, just your local shitbox driving by, you know. Yeah, buddy. Nah, I can't talk. We both had gas truck.
Facts.
They were fun. That was a good time. Yo, that bitch is spinning all the way.
I think it sounds pretty good though. But I like it.
You're just a new drone. Do you use the supposed drone? Or?
No, I don't. I mean, it seems regular to me.
I don't know what. So I guess some of them just do full straight pipe, and that's when it sounds like.
But that's when it sounds raspy. Yeah, but then it kind of sounds raspy too.
Yeah, really raspy, dude. Like aggressive raspy. Yeah, this car does throw you back a little bit too, like. Yeah. We do a flyby too. You want to go out there on the? Oh, okay, just go.
Bro, I have no gas. I just said that 40 miles.
You're not even on E.
That's gas, dude. That shit's gas.
Yo,
We almost lost control for a second.
yo, we were on the roads earlier and they were wet. But he was trying to like.
Don't kill this kid.
Yo, it's not faster than mine. All right, don't get that in y'all's head.
It don't sound no different, fam.
Let's go do a pool on the road, man. You talking about? I need gas. Bitch, I got a gas
We'll do it
can.
tomorrow.
I got 87.
We'll do it tomorrow.
I got 87. I know. That's what he acts like. Bro, he don't want to do it, bro. He's scared. He's scared it's gonna get away from him.
We'll do it tomorroa. I'll hit y'all up.
We'll do it tomorrow in the rain.
It was supposed to rain today and it didn't rain, did it?
Okay.
It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, sweetheart. Now the block's hot. Now. Dude's probably pissed. I wonder what he thinks about these cars. Who the f***
That's it.
Reek? Reek Havoc?
Reek.
yo, people.
I don't know who that is.